Guru Nation, listen, very important video, maybe the last one before the new year. First of all, Happy New Year to everybody. Thank you so much. With so much activity happening in research, I'm getting so many questions from people, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. It means a lot to me. If you don't know what to comment, put a robot emoji. It helps with the algorithm tremendously. I'm gonna smash right through 2022 because the clinical research industry is gonna blow up. It's so busy. We got mRNA technology, we've got oncology, we've got gastroenterology, we've got dermatology, we've got central nervous system, we got more than 40 programs right now in phase 2 and 3 for NASH. It's busy as it's ever been. Alzheimer's. I'm naturally getting all these questions about career trajectories. Then if I do a research assistant, what's the trajectory? If I'm a CRC now and my kids are gonna be graduated high school by the time I'm 40, is that too late to be a CRA? And how do I get a part-time remote job and all this stuff? I'm a site owner, but I don't like owning a business, so I wanna be a CRA. How do I do that? Guys, Bruce Lee said it best. You gotta be like water. You gotta mold, you gotta be flexible, you gotta adapt to the container and the environments that you're in. I'm probably looking pretty silly right now, but you guys get what I'm saying. It's not about what somebody scripts for you. Your career trajectory, there are plenty of good employers that help map out, even from day one, week one that you join a company, hey, what's your 5-year goal? What's your 10-year goal? There's plenty of good companies that can help you map it out. You don't need them to help you do that, though. It's nice if you get the help, but you're responsible for your career trajectory. The reason they want to map out your career is because they want to keep you there, because they know it's very hard to get qualified employees right now. So you got to be like water. You got to adapt. You got to be a generalist. I always talk about that stuff, okay? You got to figure out where your value add is, number one. Number two, you got to figure out where the industry is headed. Number three, you got to figure out where you personally are headed and what you want out of your career in order to figure out how you can be like water and adapt to any situation. So generalist, learn how to become a generalist is the best way. Figure out what value you bring, figure out what the employers need. If you want to go into business for yourself, figure out what value you can add to the industry, figure out who your first customer is going to be. If you are a employee and don't want to own a business, guess what? Your career is your business. So you got to start thinking about those kind of things as well. If you want to get your start in the research industry, you got to find, I think, research sites in your area, unless you're a RN or something like that. Then you could probably go some of the CROs. You have my CRA Academy, you have my CRC Academy. By the time you're done with those things, you're going to have real industry experience on your resume with real studies, not fake studies, not mock studies, real studies on your resumes in the form of internships, volunteers, remote monitoring in the CRA Academy. We're launching a bunch of new courses as well in 2022 for PIs, for data managers, for patient recruiters. It's going to be a lot going on, guys and gals. The future of your career is in your hands, not anyone else's. It's never been easier to learn and research about where the research industry is headed, and I'm just really excited and really optimistic about this next decade from a life sciences and clinical research perspective. Even with all the tech potential disruptions happening, the generalists are going to be in demand. You're always going to need people in this industry. We have a huge shortage right now. That's just going to increase. Technology is going to help a little, but I think technology is also going to bring on more problems of its own. Take care, Guru Nation. Just wanted to get this last video in before the year's over. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.